Hello everyone and welcome to Montessori Eduking. I'm Kath King and I'm a Montessori teacher, educator and children's book author. And today I have an exciting topic to discuss that is near and dear to me, Montessori teaching methods. And whether you're a parent, an educator, or just someone who's curious about innovative teaching approaches, this video will provide you with insights into the Montessori philosophy. So let's dive in. Before we begin, let's briefly explore the background of Montessori education. The Montessori method was developed by Dr. Maria Montessori, who was an Italian physician, an educator, and an inventor. And her groundbreaking approach is as relevant today as it was over 100 years ago when she developed it. And today, we're going to uncover the key principles and techniques behind Montessori teaching methods, and I'll be releasing future videos that focus on each of these principles in more depth. So, one of the fundamental aspects of Montessori education is the emphasis on creating a prepared environment for children. The classroom is carefully designed to promote exploration and independence. The materials that are used are hands-on, they're aesthetically pleasing, and they are meticulously organised. The environment is kept calm and uncluttered. We use neutral tones and natural materials. We've got didactic and self-correcting learning resources that encourage children to engage in auto-education with self-directed learning and exploration at their own pace. Montessori materials are specifically designed to facilitate the development of various skills, such as fine motor skills, logical thinking, and sensory perception. So, for example, the iconic Montessori Pink Tower helps children develop spatial awareness, while the golden beads introduce concepts of quantity in units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now, Montessori classrooms typically consist of mixed age groups where children of different age ranges learn together. So we've got the infant from 0 to 18 months, the toddler from 18 months to 3 years. We've got the children's house, which is from 3 to 6 years, the lower elementary from 6 to 9 years, the upper elementary from 9 to 12 years, middle school from 12 to 15 years, and high school from 15 to 18 years. And you'll notice that starting at the age of 3, each age group spans a full 3 years. And these age groupings also correspond with Montessori's planes of development. And this arrangement of ages fosters a real sense of community, collaboration, and peer learning. Older children are like mentors and role models for younger children, while younger children benefit from observing and learning from their older peers. Now, mixed age classrooms also encourage children to progress at their own pace. They can choose activities and materials that align with their current interests and abilities, promoting personalised and individualised learning experiences. Montessori education emphasizes freedom within limits. Children have the freedom to choose their activities, they work independently, and explore their interests. And this kind of autonomy nurtures their intrinsic motivation and their sense of responsibility. However, this freedom is balanced with clear boundaries and guidelines that ensure respect for others, respect for the environment, and for the materials that they're using. Teachers act as guides, observing and facilitating the learning process. They present lessons to individuals and to small groups, provide gentle guidance, encourage self-reflection, and help children to develop problem-solving skills. And this approach empowers children to take ownership of their education and develop lifelong learning habits. Teachers ensure that they do more teaching and less correcting. They make careful observations of children's activities and plan specific lessons and experiences that start where the child is and then move them forward one step at a time. Another distinctive aspect of Montessori education is the emphasis on practical life skills. Children are taught everyday tasks like pouring, dressing, cleaning, and preparing food. And these activities develop their fine motor skills, their independence, concentration, and a sense of order. Practical life skills also promote the development of executive functions like planning, organisation, and self-discipline. And these skills are essential for children to become confident and capable individuals who can navigate daily life with ease. A crucial element of Montessori teaching methods is providing uninterrupted work time for children. In a Montessori classroom, there are long periods of time where children can engage in activities of their choice without interruptions for match times or circle times, meals, or outside playtime. And this uninterrupted work time allows children to fully immerse themselves in their chosen tasks, leading to enhanced concentration, focus, and engagement. And during this work period, the teacher creates a calm and peaceful environment, minimizing distractions and interruptions. And this uninterrupted work time promotes deep learning and the development of a strong work ethic. Children learn to manage their time, they make decisions independently, and they persevere through challenges. And through this uninterrupted work time, children also have the opportunity to engage in extended periods of concentration. And this puts them into a flow state where they can experience a deep sense of satisfaction and joy in their learning. And this uninterrupted focus allows them to delve deeply into their interests and explore concepts at their own pace. The Montessori approach recognises the importance of this uninterrupted work time because it allows children to fully engage with their tasks, develop self-discipline, and experience the rewards of their efforts. It creates an environment where children can develop a love for learning and a genuine sense of accomplishment. So there you have it, a glimpse of the world of Montessori teaching methods. The Montessori approach nurtures the innate curiosity, independence, and creativity of children, enabling them to become lifelong learners. And by providing a prepared environment, mixed age classrooms, freedom within limits, practical life skills, and uninterrupted work time, Montessori education sets a solid foundation for holistic development. So whether you're a parent considering Montessori education for your child or an educator looking to incorporate some of these principles into your teaching, remember that the essence of Montessori lies in respecting and supporting each child's unique learning journey. Now, I hope you found this video insightful and inspiring for your own parenting and teaching. And if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. We'll be covering each of these aspects of the Montessori method in future videos, and we also provide learning videos for children. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.